In this video, I will tell you what an 8K is, or an 8K form, its definition, what it tells you, and filing requirements. An 8K form is a document filed by publicly traded companies with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, to announce significant events or changes that the shareholders should know about. Here's a simple breakdown. And this is a very simple breakdown. There's a larger version if you would like it. Let me know in the comments and I'll do it for you. Definition: an 8K form is a report filed by the publicly traded companies to inform investors and the SEC about important events that should affect the company's financial position or business operations. What it tells you: the 8K form provides information about a wide range of events, including financial results, acquisitions or mergers, changes in corporate leadership, legal proceedings, and other significant developments. It's designed to keep shareholders informed about the material events that could impact their investment decisions. Filing requirements. Companies are required to file an 8K form with the SEC within 4 business days of the occurrence of a material event. This ensures timely disclosure of important information to investors and helps maintain transparency within the financial markets. And in conclusion, and in overall, the 8K form is an important tool for investors to stay informed about key developments affecting the companies in which they have invested. It provides timely and relevant information about material events that could impact the company's financial performance or future prospects. Now, if you like a longer, more detailed description of this explanation, if you like, I will do that for you. All you need to do is put a comment down below this video and I will do that for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.